In today's video, we'll try to learn how to display salary reports or how to display our pay slip. For this, come here, get to Tally, then go with display more reports. Then select payroll reports here. Then select pay slip. Then the name of employee, which is Kusuma Agarwal. You can see all the details of salary and everything about payslip is showing here. Her name, her function, designation, etc. and overtime, etc. Everything is showing here. You can see it from here and you can download it from here, or you can capture it and print it from here. This is the basic process to show how to show the payslip or payment voucher or salary reports of our employees in our Tally Prime. So this is all about our payroll accounting. You can watch all our payroll videos, payroll accounting videos in our channel, and all the Tally Prime videos with details in our channel. So this is for today. Thank you for watching. In our next video we'll learn something else.